again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. We've got a mystery box. So this is, I believe, Varnail's March mystery box. So shall we get it open and see what we got? Don't forget guys, I have got a massive 25% off discount code for Varnail. It's not available to use on the monthly boxes. However, everything in these boxes is available to purchase individually, and my code works on all individual items. So if there's ever anything in these boxes you like the look of, definitely head over to the website and see if they are available. 90% of the stuff is available to purchase individually. So quick sneak peek and then I'm gonna slide it off. I must admit, I do look forward to my monthly Varnail boxes. They are my favourite. Oh wow. Oh, lovely. Right, let's go. So I'm going to get through this pretty quickly. Shall we just start with this? You always get a little bit of something, and it's normally for your hair. Handmade. Oh, so the little sliding clips. Oh, so they're different, aren't they? It's probably not something I would wear. Well, I don't know. Maybe this one. Maybe that one. That's quite cute. It's like a scrunchie for your hair, but a clip. Yeah, I would probably wear that one. Oh, they're cute. So we'll leave that there. Right, shall we start with stickers? So we're kind of going into spring and stuff now. My lighting is horrendous. Yeah, my lighting's not great. Should I just bring you down a little bit? Yeah, we're kind of going into spring now, aren't we? They'd be perfect for a little spring set, wouldn't they? Then we've got, I do like these little 4-pointed stars and clusters. I like them. Oh, little bunnies and balls. I like these little balls, they're cute. Little strawberries. I do like these little balls. Right, what else have we got? What's this? Ooh, so these could be like St. Patrick's Day themed. So it's all love arts except this one. This one's stars. So we've got these two green ones are kind of matte, and then these are kind of holographic. All different shades of green. I do like these. These are an unusual colour and matte. Yeah, and then we've got some little 4-pointed stars. Very nice. Right, what is this? Let's have a look. So this is my little Varnail love heart tray. I love it. Oh, wow. Right. Oh. Right, so these are little, like, tulip sequins. And you can use these little gold strands. Yeah, you can use these little gold strands to kind of make the stalk, the stem. And then you've got the little leaves as well, look. So you can literally make a little tulip on your nail. How cute are they, look? I've never seen that before. I have seen these tulip sequins, but I've never seen them put together with little stems and leaves. They're really, really cute, aren't they? I like them. They're different, not seen them before. Right, so sticking with the kind of green theme, we've got a little compact chrome. Oh, this is cute. This is nice. I like the colour of this green. This green looks nice. Oh, I like that. Very nice. And we've got a couple of eyeshadow applicators there as well. Okay. Yeah, so we're getting a kind of probably St. Patrick's Day kind of theme. What else have we got? Oh, look, even the pandas have all got little bits of green. Oh, this one's got a little carrot, I think. Oh, I like them. All different ones. I like this little guy. I think he's holding a carrot anyway. I know pandas eat. What's it called? What they eat? What's it called? Bamboo. Pandas eat bamboo, don't they? Very cute. Okay. Oh, oh, wow. Yeah, we're definitely going with a green St. Patrick's Day kind of theme. Right, look at these. Look at the colour of them. They are beautiful. So they're kind of... Yeah, they're kind of green on top. The ones that are given a blue shift are the ones that are upside down. I like them a lot. So that's what colour they are without that blue shift. That blue shift is the ones that are upside down. So this is what they would look like on the nail. Oh, they're nice. You always get really good quality crystals and stuff from Varnail. I've not seen these ones before. Very nice. Guys, oh my gosh, we've got a couple of packs of 4-leaf clovers. Right, look at these ones first. So this is like 4 little kind of love hearts, like stuck together to make a 4-leaf clover. They are beautiful. They are slightly pointy back. Let me show you. Varnail always do the most beautiful crystals, and it's always things I've never seen before. Look at these. So it's kind of like 4 love hearts stuck together. Can you see? I think it shows you on the back. Look, it's like 4 love hearts stuck together, and they are the sparkliest. Very, very pretty. So sparkly. Very nice. I love them, and again, I've not seen them before. And we've got some more 4-leaf clovers. Wait and see these ones. Look at these. They're kind of not pearly, but they've kind of got a pearly kind of effect. They are beautiful. Can you see the little effect it's got going on inside there? And they're flat back as well. Right, we've got some more green things. Right, so these are a similar effect to what's on these 4-leaf clovers. Yeah, so they're like kind of like lollipop shaped. They've got 4 little tiny pearls and a teeny tiny little bow. They're very pretty as well, aren't they? Very cute, and again, I've not seen them before. Teeny tiny little pearls, can you see them? And these are flat back as well. Oh, there's some beautiful, beautiful nail art embellishment type things there. Right, what are these? Oh wow, look at these. Right, so these straight away I can tell are curved. So these are going to sit so flat on the nail. Is it a rose? Yeah, it's like a little rose. Little teeny tiny little green leaves. These are beautiful. Yeah, these are curved. So they're going to lay really, really flat on a nail, and they're not that big. They're quite small. They're very cute, and again, I've not seen these before. Oh, they're very nice. Right, so we've got some quick nail extension foams. So these are dual foams. I can already see I haven't got these ones, so I'm really happy with that. And we've got some of their solid building gel. Let's have a look at this. So this is 005 if you're looking for it on the website. Oh my gosh. It's got little flowers in there, look. Little flowers. Teeny tiny little gold strands. And it's got silver leaf in there as well. Look at this. Not silver leaf, sorry. It's got gold leaf in there. Oh wow. Look at this. Well, we're definitely going to have a play with this, aren't we? It's got tiny little shards of red leaf. Tiny, tiny little gold strands. And it's got flowers in there as well. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Look at this. We're definitely going to have a play with that. Let's have a look at these jewel foams. So these are number 15. These are just like the long coffin that I use when I do lazy girl method. They are just like the long coffin, and I always think, why can they not just do jewel forms in a normal long coffin? And that's what these are. They're not stupidly long, they're not short, they're just your perfect long coffin. These look really, really nice. And I haven't got these ones, so I'm really happy with them. Right, everything else now is gels. Looks like we might have some kind of pastel-y, toned down kind of colours for the March box. We've got 4 of their solid gels. We have got, a cat eye, coral pink, and another gel, lavender dream. So I'm going to give these a quick swatch. I will probably do them off camera, or I'll just do them with you very quickly. Give me a second and I'll be back. Sorry guys, I missed something out the box as well. I think this is a kind of standard gel brush. Yeah, brush on one end and a spatula on the other end. I would imagine this is to use with the solid building gel. Right, so I'm just going to get through these quickly. We've got 104 Petal Glimmer. It looks like that. Then we've got 21 Fresh Green. Really nice spring kind of colour. 65 Rouge Pink. Oh, that's a nice nude pink. And 33 Sky Blue. Oh, that's nice. So I'm just going to give these a quick swatch. I'll start from this side just because I want to do the shimmery one last, because it's hard to get shimmers out your brush. So let's go. These are always nice to use, Varnail solid gels. They are nice. Just bring you in a bit now. Right, so that's them swatched. I'm really liking these colours. They're not quite pastels, they're just kind, well, the blue is, they're just kind of a neutral, just a nice going into spring kind of colours, aren't they? And this is that kind of topper. I just wanted to show you that over that colour. You could put it over any colour really, although it has got a slight pink tone to it. It would look better over pinks and peach type colours. Very nice. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I like them. I think they look really nice together as well, don't they? Right, so that's the solid colours. Shall we have a quick look at these two? We'll do Lavender Dream number 26 first. Varnail gel polishes are nice. They're a big 15mm as well. Oh, this is a nice colour. Right, let's do the cat eye. So I think I'm going to try this on its own first, see what it looks like. Oh wow, this is going to look nice just by itself. Yeah, I don't think it's one of them that needs to be done over a black. I think this is one of them. Look at this brush as well. Oh my gosh, they spread out beautifully, especially on natural nails in your cuticle area. Yeah, this looks beautiful on its own. Or again, you could put this over a pink. Oh, that's pretty. So this is one of the Varnail magnets. They are brilliant magnets. Oh wow, look at this. That is stunning. Beautiful. Yeah, these magnets from Varnail are so powerful. They just push and pull them particles like nothing like the little magnets can do. Wow, that's very nice. That's a really nice cat eye. I'm well impressed with that. And a good magnet makes such a difference. Guys, can I just show you something as well? These were trapped. They were stuck on the inside. Let me show you. They were stuck on the inside of this box, so I never saw them. How pretty are they? So they're kind of green, kind of cracked glass effect butterflies. They are beautiful. So these green ones have got little bits of lace, and then we've got little lacy ones, some with rhinestones. These are half lace. These are beautiful. Very pretty. I've not seen anything like them. I love these little half and half ones. They're beautiful, aren't they? Very pretty. Right guys, so this is all the colours included in the box. That's the last two that I just swatched, the gel polish and the cat eye. That cat eye is stunning. Really nice set of colours this month. I like them. These colours are nice together. Really nice, toned down, subtle. I like this little topper as well. I'm really happy with them colours. I think they're perfect for this time of year, aren't they? These are all just one coat as well. So if you did 2 coats, I mean the gel polish is fine, but these solid gel, they need 2 thin coats really, don't they? I really like this green. I'm not a green person, but I quite like that green. Right guys, I'm so sorry I won't be doing a set of nails using anything from the box today. Just as the day went on Sunday, I felt really poorly, and 3 days later I'm still very poorly. I was hoping to get it done Monday or Tuesday, but the box is very nearly sold out and I thought I need to just get the video out. So I do apologise, I've not done anything with any of the products in the box. But I promise as soon as I feel a little bit better, this will be the first thing on my list. I can only apologise guys, and it is not something that happens often. I am never ill, so I am not enjoying it. Anyway, that is it for today guys. The box is very nearly sold out guys, so if you want it, please get it now. Or don't forget as well guys, all items, they are sold individually, and you can use my discount code on individual items. Please remember to give the video a little poorly thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one very soon. Take care. Bye.